And the results are in. You, my faithful YouTube audience, have spoken. But which of you out there are correct?
Tinnitus,
Or tinnitus, but definitely not titinus, can be pronounced in a number of different ways. And I find it hilarious in some of the comments of my videos where there are a few keyboard warriors that take the time out of their days to tell me that they're not happy with the way that I personally pronounce tinnitus. So today I am planning on settling this once and for all, which, by the way, it won't take very long as the answer is pretty simple, so I'll have to think of other ways to keep you entertained. I guarantee you that you will learn something from this now. I promise you. The word tinnitus originates from the Latin tinere, which means a jangling or ringing. And the word tintinnabulation, which this is the 56th cut making this video because I couldn't get that word right, was coined in the mid-19th century, which means the ringing or sound of bells, and was initially used by authors such as Edgar Allan Poe in his 1849 poem, The Bells, for its onomatopoeic reference. Now, I know you're probably incredibly grateful for this history lesson, but you're right, none of this tells you how this is pronounced. Now, believe it or not, tinnitus or tinnitus are both, in fact, correct. But it seems that the Atlantic Ocean tends to be the dividing line between how it's pronounced in the US as tinnitus versus how it's pronounced in the UK as tinnitus. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is it tinnitus for you or tinnitus? Plus where you're from in the world. And check out this video for my top tips on how to reduce it.